Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Fishing with Badger. Today we're going out trolling and we're going to be trolling for muskie. Stick around to see what happens, and we hope you enjoy this video.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're going to show you how to put out the planer boards.
We don't usually run these too much here at this lake. Usually this is more big water lake or big water boards, but we're going to try them today. I have a lot of luck with these.
Yeah, and the reason you'd want to run these big water boards is, but they're a lot more stable, and
They're more stable, and you can put a couple extra lines on them. I lose a lot less fish on these big boards than I do those little inlines. I almost hate using the little inlines, but if there's very many boats here, we'll be sort of stuck. We'll have to bring these in and just run the inlines if there's a bunch of boats. But
yeah.
not really running them out very far. St. Clair, we'd be running them out like really far, 100 feet. But here we're running them a whole lot closer.
Yeah, and the reason we run these is to get the lures out away from the boat. We get a bigger chance of
Show them what Joey's doing.
getting a nice muskie here.
Dog leash. Put that planer board line on a dog leash. That way it's easier for your cleaning rod, changing lures and stuff. And then on the front here, I put a ratchet strap. That just keeps your mast from bouncing back and forth. That way there's no tension on your floor or anything like that. It just supports it a little bit. Look at the bugs. Whew.
Yeah, they're already
What we're
out.
going to do is we're going to attach to the planer board line with a shower curtain clip, and going to put a rubber band around the fishing line. That's what's going to pop instead of using a release. Okay, just wrap this around one time, a little bit tight. Put your shower curtain clip on the rubber band and put that on your... Hey Joe, you got to turn us. Put it on the planer board line, send it out. Yeah, we're not running very far out, we're pretty close.
Here you go, Badger.
No, take it, Joe. Take it. Outside.
Dude, that thing's fighting, yeah.
Good one. Want this out of the way.
Coming in pretty quick.
Did we get it, Badge? Hold the flag. There you go. Chartreuse pumpkinseed.
Nice.
A bit outside.
Man, he's on top of the hornet.
Yeah, he's got it. I got the net.
He's swimming. He's a swimming. He's coming in quick.
Just slide it back. There you go. Good job.
Yep.
See, it's your turn again already, Joe.
Go ahead. Splash me. Here's a towel right there for you.
You did that pretty good.
Yeah, you did. They want to bring up fish.
Here you go, Joe.
Go ahead.
Who wants it?
Good.
Man, it's all like
You do.
He's Perch.
Got it?
Yep. We all got one.
That was a quick one.
Yeah, there was one back there.
It's weird to do all them first passes, not a bump, and then we get one on the way down there and two on the way back.
Crazy. Joe?
Good. Yeah, you want this one?
No, go ahead. You got the bird.
Damn.
Sounded like a good one.
Got it. Another down rod.
Let's just go over.
31. Pretty good, bud. Get it in the water. Watch that lure is right beside you. You see it?
Yep.
Fast and furious there. 2 down rods in a row. One here and out on it. See, this they'd be like, there you go. Good timing, Joey.
Yep. Dad, you want this?
Go ahead, Joe.
Couldn't see if it was in.
Yeah, I think he let off on it and it started sliding back.
No, I was pulling up on it.
Here, you need to grab that and I'll get the boat. Neon Bling.
Heck no, we're what, 5 for 5?
Yeah.
That's weird, we didn't even have a rip. We just caught everything. See, that hook sharpening paid off.
That's a crazy thing. We've had caught 5 and they've all been on a different lure.
Oh,
Different
really?
colors.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's unusual though, huh?
Keep putting a new color out.
Yeah, I think these stumps like that get stuck in there.
From the,
I think it's from the ice probably pushes it, I think. I don't know.
pretty crazy. That's a big, I bet that's a full-size tree.
Oh, it's off.
Yeah, that's our rip. That was our rip.
That sounded like it was going there for a second.
That's funny you just said that.
I bet that was a small fish.
Here we go.
That's a good one. You see him jump?
Yeah.
Yeah, he went airborne. Coming quick.
Got one hook.
Only got one hook.
Alright, just keep fighting them.
Yeah, he's coming this way. Fish. Oh, he got off. Damn it.
Get off.
Yeah, I saw him hit it.
Go ahead and reel it in.
Come, Joe. Down rod.
Down right, come on.
Oh,
Get off.
They threw it.
Alright.
there you go, Joe.
Good.
You take it.
Good.
It's a snag. Oh my God, that's a big one. I thought it was a snag. Head shaking.
Yep.
Where's it at?
He's over here. He's coming in quick. Watch, he's still wild. He might not be done. What the?
Don't hog him. Don't hog him.
Yeah, I'm not. He's taking drag.
Yeah, get the boat moving just a little tiny bit. A little bit, that's good. Here, sling it up right there. Let me come around you, Badge.
Okay.
Here, bring them this way.
Oh,
my
shit! Wow, that plug popped out right.
Hold that. Got it?
Yep. Here you go, Badger.
Did I get set? Did you get my camera?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Badge.
So guys, I wanted to show you the lures that we were using in this video. They can be found at www.leolures.com. They're handmade cedar lures that are made in Elwood City, Pennsylvania. And the particular lures that we were catching all the fish on were these Leo-Mojoes. And we also do well with these Leo-Mojoe Shads. It's kind of a jointed version of that. And you know, when you go through the website, they have all the different colors that you can order on here, and you know, they also do custom colors, so there's a lot of options there. You know, different colors work on different days, but you could always send Todd an email and ask him what colors he would think would work best, and I'm sure he'd be happy to help you. He also has a page on Instagram that you can check out. I'll put all that information in the description below if you get a chance to check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment in the comments section and check out our other videos on trolling. We'll see you guys out there.